Welcome back. Let's get you the big news from the Champions League action tonight right here in Chennai City. Chennai Super Kings have taken to the crease tonight up against fellow IPL team the Mumbai Indians. They had in fact won the toss and have decided to bat. They have in fact retained their 11 from the IPL final, and Murali Vijay and Michael Hussey are currently at the crease, having piled 28 runs at 4.13 overs. In fact, there's been as far as Mumbai Indians are concerned, they have in fact got 4 foreign players. Unfortunately, there's just been a loss of a wicket here for Chennai Super Kings. Murali Vijay has been, in fact, he's gone out, and we will continue tracking that match very closely right here on NDTV Hindu. But for a moment, let's move over to some football action. Most of us don't play American-style football, but can this game really achieve the same kind of popularity among Indians, although cricket rules across the subcontinent? Sudarshan Kumar kicks up some action to find out.
Elite Football League, the Indian version of the American Football League, is all set to make its debut in India. The governing body of the game had target of having 8 teams in the inaugural tournament, but after getting enormous response in the orientation program conducted across the country, the number is all set to climb. Now Chennai, which did not even exist in the first list, will be a part of the 2012 tournament.
Originally we had 8 teams planned, which is on our website. But when we hired some players in certain cities, they told relatives in other cities about the league and that they had gotten hired and they were so excited. So the word spread so quickly that now we have at least 10 cities that will be starting the inaugural year instead of 8.
Now for the selection of the Chennai team, 120 hopefuls thronged the YMCA Nandanam football ground. Most of these players, who hail from poor families, are seeing this as a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.
நான் என்னோட ஃபேமிலி வந்து ரொம்ப டல் ஃபேமிலி. என்னோட ஃபாதர் லாஸ்ட் 10 years back, and my mother was some small earning the money. அதனால தான் இங்கே எனக்கு ஒரு வாய்ப்பு மாதிரி இருந்தது. கண்டிப்பாக இது யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு எனக்கு இது மட்டும் இல்லை, நான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுல என்னோட சுச்சுவேஷனில் இருக்க, என்னோட சூழ்நிலையில் இருக்க, எங்கள் கிராமத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய இன்னும் நிறைய பேர் இருக்காங்க. அவங்களுக்கு இந்த மாதிரி இந்த கேமை கண்டிப்பாக இம்ப்ரூவ் பண்ணி டெவலப் பண்ணுவோம்.
Except cricket, no other games give this kind of importance for any starters.
Once shortlisted, players will get a stipend of 15,000 rupees per month, plus free food and lodging.
We select 44 players to be on the professional team for this city of Chennai. These players will be paid a monthly salary, and they will train approximately 5 days a week for about 4 hours a day.
And Gopi is the man making their dreams come true. Gopi, a regular rugby player and now the head coach of the Chennai team.
Villages, there is a lot of talented speed and power they have. So I went to their family and everything also. So they are basically very, very poor family. One guy have Tangaraj in names. He don't have father also, and his mother is working some village. They are very, very poor family. After I told everything, they came here and they are very happy now.
Can this prove to be a game changer for these youngsters? Only time will say. But the Elite Football League of India seems to have big plans of making this game popular in India. The governing body aims to add new teams in each season for 10 years, or until it has 52 teams representing those Indian cities with a population of over 1 million. In Chennai, with Sudarshan, this is Ashmit Kumar for NDTV Hindu.
Let's move back to cricket. Shoaib Akhtar's autobiography, Controversially Yours, has lived up to its name by creating controversies. But in an interview with Nikhil Naz, Akhtar says that he doesn't need the controversy to sell his book.
You mentioned how we are picking up certain things, or section in the media are picking out just certain things to create controversy. But would you mind that? Because at the end, the whole purpose is to sell the book, isn't it?
Look, I've seen enough fame. I've seen enough fame around the globe. And I'm not gonna pinpoint Sachin or Dravid or Ricky Ponting or Flan, Dhamkan. मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं करूँगा जिससे controversy create हो और मेरी book बिके. I mean, I'm a firm believer of God. मैं अल्लाह पे बड़ा तगड़ा यकीन करता हूँ. मुझे इंसान ने किसी ने कुछ नहीं देना, या मुझे ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं किसी पे पॉइंट आउट करूँ. और मैं हमेशा जिसको अल्लाह ने इज्जत दी है मैं उसकी इज्जत करता हूँ. और ऐसी बात नहीं है जैसे कि ये लोग बना के पेश कर रहे हैं विदाउट इवन रीडिंग. And you're the only one, I think, created the controversy, not the whole people. But the thing is, you gotta understand the fact, the figure, the timings. And you have to understand my time, where I come from. I don't need to clarify things, but I would never do anything to make more controversy in order to sell my book.
Right.
My story is there. I open my heart out, so read it through.
Now, one of the people Shoaib took a pot shot at through his book was former Pakistan captain Wasim Akram, who hit back at Akhtar by saying he and only he destroyed his own career in cricket.
मुझे पता है, शोएब को पता है और पूरी दुनिया को पता है कि उसका कैरियर तबाह करने वाला वो खुद ही है और कोई नहीं है, और किसी ने उसकी हेल्प नहीं की उसमें. ही वाज हिमसेल्फ, हेल्प्ड हिमसेल्फ इन अ बिग वे. एक स्पोर्ट्समैन में एक अनरिटन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ये होता है कि आप पर्सनल बातें जो होती हैं वो आप प्रेस में आके नहीं बताते. मेरा नहीं ख्याल कि सचिन जैसा प्लेयर और एनी बैट्समैन कैन गेट स्केयर्ड ऑफ अ बॉलर. आई थिंक बुक बेचने के लिए जो भी कोई लिखे वो जरूर लिखे, मुझे उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. ना ही सचिन को पढ़ना चाहिए, मेरा नहीं ख्याल ना यहाँ पे किसी को पढ़ना चाहिए.
And with that, that's all the time we have on the headlines now. But up next is our entertainment show, The Big Pick.